Hey guys, Tony here, and I've been playing around with this tool. I actually haven't used this tool for quite some time. It's called VidSpy Alpha. Now this is a phenomenal tool if you want to get a massive advantage over your competition by finding expired domains that have got backlinks and linkers, and also you can possibly get traffic as well from YouTube. So what it does is it basically will go out and find broken links within YouTube descriptions, okay, and all these here in green, well, they are available domains that you can go and buy on GoDaddy or Namecheap.com. Okay, so for example, this one here, I'll right click and I'll click on go to Namecheap.com. I'll just bring this over. I've got a second screen open here. Just give it a second to load up, and you can see it's ready, and it's only $8.98 per year. But how do I know if that is any good or not? Well, luckily I've already done some searching here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over this tab here, and you can see when I open the domain name in a browser, you got this because there is no website there, okay? But you can see this little Chrome extension I'm using here. It's called SERPworks. Now SERPworks is not free, but it's really worth the money. It gives you so much information. If you click on this where it's got that little red icon here, it's going to open up a page like this, okay, and it's going to go and find the metrics for that. So we've already got some metrics here from the actual tool itself. You can see that we can find the domain authority, page authority, and we can get some basic information about backlinks and MozRank, etc. as well. But when we come into SERPworks, I find it really helpful because it can give us a little bit more information from Majestic, from SEMrush, and if you connect Ahrefs, you can get the Ahrefs data as well. So you can see here Moz, page authority 22. This would be actually okay for a one-page website. Okay, if you ever done anything with a one-page website before, something like a tool that you would put on there, then that could be very, very good. Okay, so you could put in there, you know, just a one-page website that has got page authority or domain authority would be then 22, okay, because you're using that exact URL. Okay, so you can see here spam score 0. It's got 108 do follow backlinks. 26 of those go to the home page, so you need to put in a backlinks plugin, which I can give you the name of underneath this video, or I can put it in member area. It's called Backlink Saver. If you can find one that saves the backlinks, what it does, it will redirect any pages that are not there anymore, any backlinks to those pages that are not there anymore. It will redirect them to the home page, so you can get that link just passing through. Okay, and also SEMrush has not got anything here for this. And you can see domain year and domain age is 1 year, but it's, you know, it's decent. It's not perfect, but if you get a few of these together, if you want to build something like a PBN, for example, then it's quick and easy to be able to put up a one-page website and just leave it for a few weeks and then go and put your link in later. It's the best way to do that. Don't put your link immediately, but if you want to just build them up, then quite easy to do that. It doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be as complicated as people make out. Okay, there's multiple ways that you can do or take advantage of these even within a PBN without having to overthink it. Let's put it that way. You don't need to overthink it. Just don't put your links in immediately. Do one-page websites. Keep it really, really simple. And you know, you can always put the links via somewhere else. So for example, I could have a link that goes to a Web2 page or a Google site or something that just backlinks into my my money site. If you want to do that kind of thing, you can. Honestly, I would just do a direct link to the money page, okay? But the best way to do this really is if you have specific pages deep in your site that you want to link to, okay? Not always the home page that you want to link to from these kind of domains. And it's a quick and easy way to do it. But there's also some other benefits here as well, because if I open this up again, we can see as well how many views these have had. This one's had 18,000 views. This one here, 78,000 views. Let me just click on delete and delete and not available. Okay, and we can have it easier to read. Okay, so you can delete those. You can export this as well. Save it to a CSV, export it. If we sort this by the views, you can see this one's got 327,000 views. Okay, This looks like a music video, and you know, you're going to find something like that creeps in here, but oh no, this is a really useful tool, and you can tap into whatever these videos that are getting traffic, still getting traffic today, whatever they're still linking to. You also see in the blue here, we've got like Instagram.com. Let's see if we find Twitter in here as well. Usually we'll find Twitter. There's a blog spot here. LinkedIn. These are profiles that you can recreate, like Instagram and Twitter, etc. I'm not seeing any Twitter here. Usually that's the ones I like to get, the Twitter ones. Instagram is good as well. You just recreate those. Accounts as Tumblr as well. Let's see. No Twitter. That's surprising. Usually we get a few Twitter in here. And that's the one I like to do, because you can just put a link in the profile, which is handy as well. Okay, so it's got some multiple benefits. This is not a Web 2.0 profile kind of scraper thing, but it's just one of the added benefits of using this tool. Okay, now if you get the full version of this, if I click in here to edit the project, you can see in the full version you can also go and scrape not just YouTube, but you can also scrape Dailymotion, Vimeo, Wikipedia, Pinterest and Reddit. Okay, these are all very high traffic sites, and you can go and scrape all of those as well. One word of caution: if you're going to do Wikipedia, do only Wikipedia in that campaign. It takes a while. Wikipedia is a big site. It's got a whole bunch of links on every single page. It really does take time. Okay. But if you want to do Wikipedia, just do a separate campaign and you're fine. Usually I stick with just the YouTube. I'll be perfectly honest with you. YouTube does what I need it to do. Okay, that does exactly what I need to do. But if you want to go deeper, some people do. Pinterest has got a lot of traffic, etc. You could be getting traffic coming from these sites. Okay, that's really looking at the traffic element when you're thinking about this. Wikipedia link would be good as well, though. Admittedly, that would be very good. So it's very quick and very easy to use. All you have to do is just create a new project, give your project a name, put your keywords in here. For the front end version of this, you have YouTube and you have Dailymotion. You have two choices. Okay, full version, you've got all of these choices. You've got all 6. It's really quick and easy to use. Okay, now if you get the full version as well, you can have Chip Ad Targeter. This is basically what we were going to build VidSpy to be at that particular time. We were going to build it into a lot of spy tools. So we added YouTube Ad Targeter, so you can find videos that you can go and do placements with. Okay, these have got monetization enabled around a specific topic. And again, very simple. Give your project a name, put your keywords in here. So you can see I've taken one of the recent products from a Warrior Plus launch, Affiliate One. Okay, it's very popular. Lots of affiliates are promoting this, so I can go and find a whole bunch of affiliates basically that have got monetization enabled. That gives me a massive advantage if I want to do any kind of launch jacking later, because I like to use the YouTube ads, so I can target them. I can target their whole channel regardless of what video people are watching on the channel with whatever offer I want at any time that I want. Okay, that's really massive. So the Chip Ad Target is very handy. We've got a better version of this in Ad Blaster. If you've got the Ad Blaster version, that's far more advanced than this one. I'm not planning to make this one more advanced. I think I'm just going to keep it as simple as it is. A real focus for that kind of stuff, the YouTube stuff, is definitely within Ad Blaster, but it's still a good tool. It's working, it's a good tool. It can pull back thousands of URLs. Okay, you can see I've got 1,690 URLs being pulled back here. Okay, and you can use them. Competition Analyzer, you can see I've just put in the word Affiliate One, and you get slightly different results from here than what you get from the Chip Ad Targeter, because some of these will not have monetization enabled, so you can see who else is promoting, and maybe you can get some ideas about what other promotions they are doing. So basically it's giving you however many you want. You can go and scrape as many videos, top 10, top 5, top 20, whatever you want, and it will tell you the average likes, views, dislikes, comments, and you can see in green here, we recommend that you can go and rank for that. Okay, but a better way, go and do some YouTube ads. You do some YouTube ads and take these URLs, use them for placements, and you can get like penny per view. Okay, try and buy that on Fiverr.com. Go and buy a backlink package on Fiverr.com and come back after you spend $10 and told me, did that get you 1,000 views, real views? Okay, it doesn't. This works. Okay, the YouTube ad stuff works. use it. It's very, very, very easy. It's easier than backlinks. And by the way, the traffic you get from YouTube ads, it can trigger the algorithms for your videos. Okay, so the PPC traffic, the penny per click, penny per view traffic can actually boost your SEO without you doing any SEO. Okay, really quick and really easy. And finally, we've got the channel spy. So you can see here, I put in a channel name or ID. I'll just put in a channel ID. This is, I think it's Jono I put in here. Yeah, Jono Armstrong. And you can see his latest videos. Just click that twice, you can see his latest videos. And you can sort it by the views and see what's really, really popular, what people are responding to. This one here, and an introduction to affiliate marketing, 28,000 views. Okay, let's see these ones here. Is affiliate marketing easy? You can see affiliate marketing is a huge topic. Lots of traffic to be found there. Massive amounts of traffic to be found there. Okay, and this is good information that you can get. So you can see I'm building out a campaign around affiliate marketing. So I can go and take this domain, funnelbangreview.com, only $9. It's already got 120 backlinks, but I can make a one-page site, just a one-page site. And in that one-page site, I could basically have links to anywhere I want. Okay, I can put links to a review page, I can put links to a review video, I can put links to whatever I want. Okay, and I can change them anytime I want as well. Okay, so this is basically just a quick and easy way that we can take advantage of that. Okay, but it's a good tool. It can give you a lot of information, and the Web 2 stuff is a bonus kind of thing here. It wasn't built for that. It was just one of the benefits that we found when we were using it. And you will see some other tools very, very similar. Most of them don't have as many sites as what we've got in here, and this has no limitations. It's very quick and easy to set up, and you can run it as much as you want as well. So you can run it for a whole bunch of these and just keep it running all the time. It's actually kind of addictive once you get going with it. And you can put in the Moz API key, and that will pull back the Moz data in here. Now, word of warning for the Moz data, you might need to get 2 or 3 different keys if you're going to be a heavy user, okay, because they've put limitations on their API key in the past sort of year or two. So get 3 or 4 of those. You can get them for free. Okay, just open 3 or 4 different accounts and you can put 3 or 4 different API keys in there. All you do is you go into the settings and you go into the Moz API key. You can put 2 or 3 in here. You can just go and add another one, add another one, add another one, as many as you want. Okay, very quick, very easy, and you can run this all the time. You can just keep running it all the time and look for different angles as well. Look for angles based on some of these launch promotions that have been up before. What you will find is there's a whole bunch of backlinks going to those sites as well, those product launch sales pages, etc. If you can find some of those available, just grab a list of launches from last year or something like that. You might find you got some very, very good domains there that you can use. And if you're into affiliate marketing as a niche, then that's an easy way that you can go and get some domains with backlinks that you can simply redirect or make a one-page website. But don't overthink it and don't make it too complicated. It really doesn't have to be. Okay, so that's it. Thanks. If you grab this today, you've got a discount. Okay, I've got a discount. I'm reopening this, and it's been around for I think about 3 or 4 years now. It's a good tool. We've maintained it. It's still working very, very well, as you can see, and it's good value. Grab it while you can. I've put a 3-day offer on this one, and then it goes back to its normal pricing. Thanks.